County executive testified last. He explained how and why he made the call, saying it was one of the toughest decisions he'd ever had to make.
Anne Arundel County Executive Stuart Pittman, testifying through Zoom, told the court his executive orders tightening dining restrictions are designed to save lives and prevent the spread of COVID-19. He says he consulted with his and other medical officials, restaurant owners, and his economic advisors. Pittman says the case numbers alarmed him, scared him. The county executive took issue with the wording of the judge's temporary restraining order, stating that it appears the county executive's decision was made in an arbitrary and capricious manner. Pittman called the decision one of the most difficult things he's done. Pittman told the judge he was a little offended by that. Judge Mulford explained it was a legal phrase and he understands, quote, the sting. The judge asked, based on what you now know, will you reopen dining? The county executive says, yes, I may. But after the judge's ruling, I will have to look again at the numbers in federal assistance and testing numbers. The question was a reference to earlier testimony by County Health Officer Nilesh Nalaraman. Judge Mulford pressed him on why he was relying on hospital bed capacity projections rather than actual numbers. The health officer told the court the county heavily relies on the number of COVID hospitalization projections to determine what safety measures to put in place to help stop the spread and from overwhelming hospitals. The numbers for December were off by 5,000 beds, leaving more than enough space to handle a spike in cases, which also left open the question of whether more restrictions are needed. Judge, this is not the realm of reasonable probability. Why are you so wildly off your projections? Why do you need to do more? Doctor, the projections are based on if we don't act. The goal is to make the projections wrong, so we look at additional steps. We're still monitoring. The judge, you will put a guaranteed class of people out of work. I'm having a hard time with your numbers. You're dealing with projections. I'm dealing with actuals. Contact tracing also came under scrutiny. Court testimony indicates since mid-November, the county and the state stopped asking people who tested positive where they've been. Testimony by the health commissioner indicated that based on contact tracing, people are 2.2 times at greater risk of getting COVID-19 by going to a restaurant than a retail setting. But those numbers don't reflect what's currently going on.
During closing arguments, the judge kept pointing out how the county executive made his decision based on completely flawed data. The judge says he recognizes Pittman had to make a tough decision, and he says his decision won't be easy either. Reporting live from Circuit Court in Annapolis, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.